to another video. Today is the day that I get to open up these goodies. If you want to know what I shop for and what did I get, keep on watching. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the packages that I couldn't wait and I already opened, which is all of these ones. So I ordered some earrings. So I ordered these little earrings, and I also ordered another pair. And I just looked, I want to fill up my ears with earrings. So this is how the box looks. And these are the earrings I got. And I'm very excited to wear them. These two products right here. And they are to clear my acne scars, my dark spots, any imperfections that I have going on. And I haven't tried it yet, so I'm looking forward to try it out. Other things I got on Amazon that I already opened and I'm already using and I love are workout clothes. So they came in this bag, and these were the leggings. And let me tell you, the leggings, oh, they are so soft, so stretchy. They go all the way up to my belly button, and I love that because when I work out, I don't want to be dealing with them going down. I like them to stay in place, and they do stay in place. And I got two. I got a gray one and I got a black one, and they were very affordable. Other purchase I made, I bought some tops to work out, and there were four. So there's a white one, there's a gray one, navy blue, and a black one. And that is what I'm currently using to work out. And if you watch my videos, you would see the outfits that I wear. And they are very affordable, very recommended, and I will buy these again. Now it's time to open the new packages. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this packaging. And once again, I buy things from Amazon that are Prime, the most rated and recommended. Ooh, so this is how it looks from the inside. Ooh, okay, I remember. So I got some glasses because I spent most of my time on my phone or on the screens working. And these glasses are to protect your eyes from any screen. Let me put them on. Ooh, I like. So there are two colors. So I got these ones, the clear ones, which I love. And I also got, I think these are black. Yes. Ooh, they are nice. So I got these black ones as well. Let's try them on. So this is how they look. I love, 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 love. And you can see the ring light that I'm using, the reflection. I love these. These I recommend. It comes with this to clean them. It also comes with a little tool. This is so cute. It comes with a little tool. So that is it for this one. I am very satisfied with the buy. They look fancy. Should I put these on? No, it's probably going to distract you with the light, so can't wait to wear these. I'm going to put them over here. And I really love the box. I really, really love the box. Definitely going to keep it for my eyelashes. Ooh, this is another package I'm excited for. I can get an idea of what it is. Yes, it is. It is, it is, it is. These are my eyelashes from Alexi Queen Lashes. I am so excited. So this is how it looks. This is the packaging. Look at those beauties. Can't wait to put them on. Ooh, look at that. I am so excited to wear them. Okay, so they feel, they feel real. They feel soft. They look beautiful. So I'm definitely going to be making a makeup tutorial to try these out, and I will give my reviews, which I already love. Oh, and by the way, I have a code, which is live life for him. So get yourself some eyelashes and save yourself some money. Put these right here. Okay, next, I have a big box. I don't remember what it is, but it's pretty heavy.
So let's open it up. Pretty heavy.
Oh, I know what it is.
Are you guys ready?
It is Dawn to wash dishes. Hey, at least dishes will be washed, right? And I got 2 of them, so that's why it was so heavy. And the other one's over here. So that is it for this little mini haul. But guess what? There's tons more coming because there's a lot of orders that I've been making that I'm waiting for them to get here. And I can't wait to get my hands on them so I can start wearing them, so I can start eating them, so I can start, you know. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the makeup tutorial and my reviews on how this is actually clearing out my acne scars. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.